Here, this is going to be the same years, like I think it's 2001 to 2006. I'll double check that for you. So the transmission's shifting a little bit funny. If you need the video for the transmission fluid change, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and I'll have that one. This one, we're going to show you where that screen is that you need to clean in order to get this thing to shift properly. And this one's having a little bit of issues in like second or third gear, and when you come back down, it's kind of a dry shift. So let's check it out. Let's get up underneath the front end here, and we're going to pull that skid plate. Right up underneath here, this is the skid plate that we're going to pull out of the way. I'm on the driver's side here, and you're just going to pull these little clips right here. They pop up, and then you can they pop up right here, and then you can just pull that whole thing right out. And they go all the way around the front, and just drop the skid plate down, and we'll be able to get at that solenoid that's got the issue with the screen. We're going to be cleaning it. Okay, so here we got the cover off. Now there was a plastic clip on each side on the front too, in order to get that skid plate out. But I just want to show you where I'm at here, right in the center, and we're going to go underneath the car and a little bit to the right. Here's the cross member here. This is the passenger side. We're going to go up right in here. Right there's the shifting solenoid you want. So we'll unplug this clip and we'll take loose those 4 10mm bolts right there. So let's get that off. So on the pigtail, the clip, you're just going to push down right here. See how that pushes down? And then just slide the pigtail off just like that. Now we can get at that other 10mm up there. So let's pull all 4 of those and let's get this thing out and check out those screens. I got the solenoid off right here. Now you'll look, now this is called a transmission control solenoid. Right here is the screen that you must clean right there. And do not break this when you get it off. These little things are like $300-400. So if you look up in here now, there's another screen right there. So we want to get that little tube looking screen out, and it's probably going to take 2 hands, but let's pull it out. So the location of it, if this solenoid was up in there, it seats right in here. So let's go ahead and get that screen out. We'll clean this screen and clean the other screen. There you go. That's the one that was down in there. She's built up a little bit. So we're going to clean this out, clean the other one, put it back in, make those shifting issues go away, and of course change the fluid. And just run it backwards now. Clean it. A little bit of brake clean is fine. Let it dry before you put it back in. Put your 4 bolts back in, tighten it up, put your pigtail on, throw your cover back on, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.